we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT DALL to generate amazing images with AI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, navigate to the DALL section. You can find it in the product menu at the top of the page. Click on DALL to enter the main interface. Here, you'll see a text box where you can type your image description. This is where the magic happens. You need to be as descriptive as possible to get the best results. For example, if you want an image of a futuristic cityscape at night, make sure to include those details. Once you've typed your prompt, click on the Generate button. DALL will start creating your image. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a selection of images that match your description. You can click on any image to see a larger version. If you want to download the image, simply click the Download button below it. You can also go back and refine your prompt if you're not satisfied with the results. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the better the output will be. And there you have it. You're now ready to create stunning images with ChatGPT DALL. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.